When does it work? When doesn't?
Well, I think if you look at our brand, the International Brotherhood of Teamsters has been around since 1903. I'm a proud truck driver, so that last speaker that wants to retire us and send us a check, just send it big and send it on time. But I'm a fourth-generation Teamster, and if you look at our brand, 2 horses, right? So goods and services were provided to this country with horse and buggies. And if you don't think in 1903, when the Teamsters started, and then through the evolution, the combustible engine came in, we weren't scared. We were scared as hell. We were scared as hell we were going to lose jobs as a result of that technology back then. I think when we look at technology and efficiencies, I think a couple things. There's always the fear of the unknown, because we have never had a seat at the table when this technology, whatever it may have been or whatever it may be, we've never had a seat at the table to discuss the effects and impacts. And I think there's an opportunity to embrace technology, to embrace efficiencies, protect jobs, more importantly, get people home safe at the end of their shift. But I think the biggest struggle is collaborating between those 2 worlds. So you have the
Past generations of Americans pursued big dreams and daring projects that once seemed absolutely impossible. They pushed across an unsettled continent and built new cities in the wild frontier. They transformed American life with the interstate highway system. Magnificent it was. And they launched a vast network of satellites into orbit all around the earth. But today, our country has lost its boldness. Under my leadership, we will get it back in a very big way.